Hello, in this section we will learn about overview of the course. This comprehensive course will take you on a journey to master HTML and WordPress, two essential tools for building stunning functional websites. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to sharpen your skills, this course provides everything you need to create professional, responsive websites from scratch. Through hands-on projects, real-world examples, and step-by-step guidance, you will learn how to write clean HTML code, customize website, and leverage WordPress to build and manage dynamic website without requiring any advanced coding skill. What are the key takeaways from this course? By the end of this course, students will be in master in HTML basic, understand the building blocks of web pages, create responsive, well-structured website using HTML, learn WordPress fundamentals, install and configure WordPress locally and on live server, customize themes, manage content and build website efficiently. Build different types of website like blogging website, business website and even e-commerce stores. Use popular WordPress bridge builder like Elementor and Gutenberg. Optimize and maintain website by using SEO to rank higher in Google and secure website from vulnerabilities by using SSL. Launch your projects, go live with your website, learn monetization strategies like blogging and e-commerce through AdSense. Who should enroll? Beginners curious about web development, entrepreneurs who want to build and maintain their own website, freelancers looking to expand their service offerings. We will be using tools and technologies like HTML5, WordPress, plugins, page builders like Elementor, Gutenberg, and search engine optimization tools like Yoast and Rank Math and caching plugins. Why you should enroll in this course? This course covers both coding HTML and CMS, WordPress. We will be providing hands-on projects, build real-world website during the course. It is perfect for beginners, no prior experience needed or coding knowledge is required for this course, and you will have a lifetime access of this course. Thank you. Let's start the course on the next session.